Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I've put anything out, but I'm working on keeping it up more regular, and over winter break I'll be trying to get some more content here. Now I have these two big corn plants too, and I'm not really sure what I want to do with them, because they're getting really big, and they're already growing roots out the bottom of their containers. So I'm going to have to figure out what to do with these. Probably transplant them to a bigger container. As you can see, they're getting really, really big. I mean, I don't know what I expected. They are corn. I forgot to introduce these guys to you last time, but this is Phineas. He is a succulent that I got from Safeway about 8 months ago or so, and this is Barry. I got him from Walmart at the beginning of the summer for about $2. I don't know what kind of plant he is, and he's not taking the cold too well, but I think he'll be okay. And the jalapeno plant that I tried to start did not end up taking, so we're left with these guys. First of all, these tomatoes have gotten huge. Look at the size of these. They've grown a lot since the first video, and they now have a lot of leaves coming out the sides. Most of them are doing really well. A couple of them are still pretty small, but overall they're doing much better. However, there's a distinct lack of basil plants in these middle trays. I had 13 basil plants, and now I have 4. Now Hugo, I hear you cry, how does one kill 9 plants in a matter of days? Let me show you. Alright, now this gets a little tricky, so try to follow along. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and I'll try to answer them. What you're going to want to do is take your water. Laundry's ready. Take your water bottle, undo the cap, put the cap back on, and wait 2 days. Of the basil plants that made it, 2 are doing really well, and 2 are still pretty small. But overall, everything's pretty good. Now to make more space on my hanger tray, I'm going to combine these 2 planter trays. Done. Now I'm going to move the corn to a yogurt container and the big basil plant to the corns container. Corn is now in a yogurt container. Seeing as I'll be gone for about a month over winter break, Adam, my roommate, has kindly agreed. Hey Adam!
What?
Can you take care of my plants for me over break?
No.
To take care. Nope, not gonna say his name. Hey Adam!
What?
Can I say your name in my video?
You have 2 subscribers. I could not care less.
Now while I can't do work on these plants over break, I am gonna try to put out some more plant related videos while I'm at home.